Hello and welcome to this video on expanding brackets, which should be the first part of your National 5 course with your new teacher. Basically what we do when we expand a bracket is we take a bracket and we multiply it by something. This is called a coefficient. We take this coefficient of 4 and we multiply it by 2y and 5. So that becomes 4 times 2y, giving me 8y, and then 4 times 5, which is 20. Because this is a positive number, we don't change the sign. Gives me a total answer of 8y plus 20. If this was a negative 4, we would change, this would be minus 4 times 2y, giving you minus 8y, and minus 4 times 5 would give me minus 20. So the plus would change to a minus here. That's the only time in which you change the signs. Here, we can multiply by a letter, so a times 2a is 2a squared, and a times the 3b is going to be 3ab. Again, it's positive times a positive, so the sign is the same. Final answer, 2a squared plus 3ab. Very commonly, we're asked to multiply two brackets together. This means we take the first bracket, and that's going to be 4p times 2p plus 3, just similar process to we did before, and 1 times 2p plus 3. Meaning we expand this, 4p times 2p is going to give me 8p squared, the squared is important. 4p times 3 is going to give me plus 12p, plus 1 lot of 2p, so plus 2p, and then 1 lot of 3, so plus 3. Now it's really important that these two terms in the middle are p, they're both the same kind of thing, so these need to be tidied up. We would just simply add plus 12 and plus 2 to give us plus 14 in the middle. So 8p squared plus 14p plus 3. This bracket, I don't know if you notice, has got a negative in it. So, a takeaway. So that's going to become 3k times 2k plus 3. Take away 5 lots of 2k plus 3. Expanding this, 3k times 2k gives me 6k squared plus 9k. Take away 10k, and importantly, minus times plus gives me minus 15 on the end. Really important that you watch that. That's where a common source of error there. Again, we're going to tidy up the middle. So I've got plus 9, take away 10 is going to give me minus 1. So 6k squared, take away 1 lot of k. We don't write the 1 normally. Take away 15. We can also combine that by having a coefficient times a double expanded bracket. So this is the same as 3 lots of 2m times m minus 3 plus 3 lots of m minus 3, giving me 3 lots of 2m squared, take away 6m, plus 3m, minus 9. Tidying up the middle terms, 3 lots of 2m squared, minus 3m, minus 9. And then because we have a coefficient at front of 3, we have to multiply everything by 3. So that becomes 6m squared, take away 9m, take away 27. A really common thing which has to happen, particularly in the exam standard, and you'll get these towards the end of the exercises that are being set, is a bracket of 2 times a bracket of 3 terms. Sorry, there should be an n in there. So we're going to make that 2n times 2n squared, take away 4n plus 5, just a second bracket, take away 3 lots of 2n squared, take away 4n plus 5. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken the first term and multiplied it by the second bracket, and I've taken the second term and multiplied it by the second bracket, just in turn. Expanding that out, now n squared times n is n cubed, because there are 3 n's multiplying together. So that's going to be 4n cubed, take away 8n squared plus 10n, take away 6n squared, minus times minus is plus. Okay, so watch for those signs particularly, they do like to give you a takeaway in the bracket. So minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12n, and then minus 15. And again, we need to tidy that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for all my cubed terms, add them together, 4n cubed. Minus 8n squared minus 6n squared is going to be minus 14n squared. 10n plus 12n is going to be plus 22n. And then I have minus 15 at the end. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and good luck with the exercises. Thank you.